No kidding? You're going to tell me all about my life?
Yes, indeed we are.
But before that, though, how many pieces do you want?
I don't want any pieces. All I want to say to you, birthday cake, you've had a wonderful life. And to show you what a wonderful life you've had, let's meet some of the people making some of the important people in your life. Let's see if you recognize any of these three voices.
What? Wow. Hello there, birthday cake. Remember me? I gathered the wheat and corn, turned it into flour, and used the batter that needs you. Oh no, you don't mean...
Yes, I mean all the way from the farm, Charity Chicken, Clover Cow, and Farmer Fuller.
Moo.
Now tell us, Charity, Clover, and Farmer Fuller. You're going to read your line?
We're doing fine, birthday cake. How are you?
No, wait a minute.
How are you? I'm so glad to see you all. We're doing fine, birthday cake. How are you? Oh, not so bad.
Tell us, Charity, Clover, and Farmer Fuller, what part did you play in making birthday cake the cake he is today?
I made some eggs. I made some noodles. I never wheat that grabbed a rock. Never wheat and...
Well, thank you very much, Charity, Clover, and Farmer Fuller.
I owe you three a lot.
You may be right, birthday cake, but we're not through yet. See if you recognize this voice.
It's birthday cake, I gusto da nido bata.